Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Odoo 18 tutorials by Cybrosys. Today in this video, let me teach you how to convert an opportunity into a quotation using the CRM module of Odoo 18. For that, first let's open the CRM module. So this is the CRM, and here you can see there are a lot of opportunities. So I'm going to create a new opportunity over here. So I'm specifying the contact as Anita, the expected revenue as 500, and I'm putting up high priority for it, and I'm adding it. Okay, that's it. A new opportunity has been added. Now let's open it. Okay, so here in the opportunity, you can see the name of the opportunity, the probability rate. Okay, so you have the expected revenue over here, the probability over here. So the probability will be automatically calculated. Okay, and then you have the contact, the email, phone, the salesperson, expected closing, tags, and all such things. And here is the priority. And as you can see, this is currently in new stage. So if you want to add any internal notes, that can be added here. And this is the extra information section. Okay, so for you all to add the extra information such as the contact name, job position, this is the contact information, the marketing information, as well as the tracking information. So this is not what we were talking about. We were talking about converting this into a quotation. So as you can see, there's a button which is active called create a new quotation. So if you click on this, this particular opportunity will be converted into a quotation. As you can see, the quotation creation form has come, where the customer's name is taken as the contact name which we given in the opportunity, which is Anita Oliver. And then all such things are there. Now you can add a product to it. So I'm just adding a product. Let it be caustic block screen. And you have variants for it. So you can choose whatever the variant is. Okay, confirm it. And from here you can change the quantity. So I'm changing the quantity to 5. Okay, so as per the quantity is updated, the amount will also be updated. And then here you have the optional products, the quote builder, the other info and notes. You all know how to create a quotation. So a quotation has been created. Okay, so here is the quotation, and here you can see the reference number is 70. So keep it in mind. This is a quotation and it's been created. Now let's go back to Anita Oliver, and here in the Smart tab you can see one quotation is created. Okay, so it's not just in the tab. We have to go to the sales module and check. Okay, so here's the sales module. If you take a look at it, here you can see the quotation which we created through the CRM module. Open it, it's in quotation state. You can simply send by mail and change its state to quotation send, or even confirm it directly and change to sales order. Now this is a sale order. Okay, and then you can create the invoice, and I'll complete the procedure. Okay, so I'll create a regular invoice, create draft. Okay, so I'll do one thing, create invoice, let it be down payment of 10%. Then I'm creating a draft invoice over here. Okay, a draft invoice has been created right now. So it's that simple to create a quotation out of the opportunity which you created in the CRM module. So here I have created an invoice and now then you can do the payment and complete the procedure. Okay, so here you can create the payment. Okay, and you can see it's in payment state. If you go back to the CRM, this is the CRM. You can see this. See, now it's orders. The quotation has become 0 and it's an order because the quotation has been confirmed to a sale order. Okay, it's that simple, and this is how you can easily create you can convert an opportunity into a quotation. It's that simple. So I hope it's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.